Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study medicine in third-year BDS. Start by planning focused study blocks and setting clear weekly goals to balance wards, lectures, and revision. Prioritize clinical skills and high-yield topics, then build active recall routines with flashcards and past papers. Practice patient histories and OSS stations regularly while tracking progress and adjusting study plans every 2 weeks for steady improvement. Build a reliable study system, blending theory, clinics, and revision with consistent routines and realistic goals. Rotate subjects in 16 to 9 study cycles and prioritize high-yield topics while avoiding all-nighters. Use spaced repetition to lock in drug doses and anatomy, and schedule weekly practical sessions for clinical skills and history taking. Review mistakes promptly, adjust your plan every 2 weeks, and reward milestones to keep motivation steady and sustainable. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading textbooks anywhere with a glare-free screen and long battery life. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned. It makes study breaks cozier and notes portable and handy today. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Refine your exam technique with timed practice, question banks, and focused review sessions to build speed and accuracy. Prioritize common presentations and create concise one-page summaries for quick last-minute revision. Memorize essential drug doses and normal values using mnemonics and spaced repetition. Simulate Viva and OSS scenarios with peers, log errors for review, and approach papers methodically by answering easy questions first to conserve time and confidence.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.